Fresh court proceedings have been filed by Assistant Commissioner of Police Calvin Brutus. This time, the embattled Assistant Commissioner wants the High Court to quash the recently set up Disciplinary Tribunal by the Police Service Commission to investigate him for breaches of discipline. The members of the tribunal are former Commissioner of Police Hilal Prasad and attorneys Kiyomo Griffith and Shoshana Lal. Mr. Brutus has retained the services of prominent attorneys U.C. Anderson and Darren Wade. In court documents seen by Nightly News, Mr. Brutus, through his attorneys, allege that the tribunal would breach his constitutional right as well as law and due process. The high-ranking policeman claims that he was not served with any legal documents to attend the hearing and believes the tribunal was established to have him fired from the Guyana Police Force. He said it was Deputy Commissioner of Police Errol Watts who presented him with a letter from the Police Service Commission about the appointment of the tribunal. In fact, Brutus claimed that at the time the tribunal was set up, he was given 14 days sick leave by Dr. Ravi Motilal. Dr. Motilal was also summoned before the tribunal, and hours after the hearing, the doctor withdrew the medical sick leave for Mr. Brutus. Meanwhile, it was retired Assistant Commissioner of Police Paul Slow who had predicted in a previous broadcast on his social media program, speaking out, exposing corruption and incompetence, that Mr. Brutus would have moved to the High Court to challenge the setting up of the tribunal.
You cannot commence, according to the Police Discipline Act, you cannot commence a disciplinary investigation unless the defaulter, and that is the person who is alleged to have committed the offense, was served with a breach of discipline notice informing him of the nature of the investigation. You have to do that. That's what the law says.
Nightly News has learned that the tribunal is examining an allegation that Mr. Brutus, on the 11th of January 2024, gave instructions for payments of goods procured by the government of Guyana for the Guyana Police Force in the sum of $13,670,000 to be made from the Guyana Police Force's Welfare Fund in violation of Standing Order 36 of the Guyana Police Force. Additionally, records at the quartermaster stores of the Guyana Police Force were falsified, purporting to show that over $100 million in goods were delivered and payments made. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.